This is my quick review of this one for all universal remote control for your television, but it also works with many soundbars or home theaters. So what I like about this remote control is that it's very easy to set up. There are 3 different ways on how to set up this remote control, but the easiest of them, if your TV is one of these in this list, it only takes about 20 seconds to set up this remote control, which is extremely fast for a universal remote control. Usually with many other brands, it's quite frustrating to set up, but this one, they found a way to make this in only a few seconds, which I like it. Otherwise, the remote control is quite light and it's not too big, not too small. You see here how it fits in the palm of my hand. It got all the basic feature that somebody will need, like power on if you want to control your movies over here. You also get a menu button, home button, exit. For example, this is my original LG remote control for my TV, and it got all the features that this original got. The only thing that it does not have is those shortcuts to Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, or other stuff. But usually I wasn't using them anyway. So over here you get all these features. The buttons are really easy to press. Since they're not too big, they're not too small either. As you see here, they're just the right size for my fingertip to press them. And the last thing, these are working with 2 AAA batteries that are pretty common. So when it stops working, pop new batteries and you're good to go. And just to show you the manual over here, these are all the different brands that this universal remote control is working with. So you see, I'm pretty sure it covers hundreds and hundreds of different brands. So you're pretty safe on this aspect that it will work with your device. So overall, I highly recommend it.